Mom, can we get some candies, please?
Well, sweetheart, how about we go for some fruits instead? They're sweet and healthier.
But candies taste so good, and they're colorful.
True, candies are sweet, but fruits are naturally sweet, and they come with vitamins and nutrients that are good for you.
I guess so, but candies are more fun.
What if we find some fun and colorful fruits? Like berries or mangoes. They are like nature's candy. Candies can damaging our teeth and causing various oral health problems. Candy can also impair our overall health. High in sugar, artificial chemicals, preservatives, and calories, eating too much candy can elevate your risk of weight gain. So, let's try colorful fruits.
Okay, Mom.
Plus, with fruits, you won't get that sugar rush and crash afterward. It's a win-win.
Okay, let's try the colorful fruits then. But can we still get a small bag of candies?
How about we compromise? We'll get the colorful fruits, and if you eat them, we can consider a small treat of candies later.
Deal. Colorful fruits and a tiny bit of candies it is.
Great choice, and it's all about balance. Now, let's go pick out some vibrant fruits together.
Kid, okay, Mom.
My sweet son, fruits are rich in fiber and keeps you fuller for a long time, easy to digest and full of nutrients. It is healthy for your dad and me too.
Well, I understood that it makes us healthier. We can get vitamins from it.
As you can see, there isn't one fruit that has all the nutrients, so eating a variety is the key to good health. Try something new. Most adults should eat a variety of colors for about 2 cups a day. Prioritize whole fruits over juice. You are my intelligent son and can understand very easily.
Thanks, Mom. Now I will prefer fruits upon candies.
That is a great son.